Your mouse stopped working on you and your trackpad is not responding. What if I tell you there is a convenient and better way that is right now in your pocket? You can operate your PC, laptop, MacBook or iPad just using your smartphone. And believe me, it does come in handy at the time of need. It just gets the job done, and the best thing about it, it doesn't require connecting wires, it does work wirelessly. Let me show you how to do it. In order to use your phone as a mouse on your computer, you need to download remote mouse application both on your computer and your phone. This app is available on Windows, iPhone, MacBook, iPad and even Linux and macOS. I have linked the app in the description. You can download it according to your operating system. I am using a MacBook and an Android phone to demonstrate it. Let's see. After downloading and installing the application both on your computer and your phone, you must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network in order to use your phone as a mouse on your computer. After installing the application on my both devices, as I am on the same Wi-Fi network, I can see my laptop. For the MacBooks, there is an additional setting. For the app to work efficiently, you need to allow the accessibility settings. After allowing the accessibility settings, now you can use your phone as a mouse. Let me show you a tutorial how to use it. Now as you can see, I can access my laptop using my phone. Let's open Safari. I can left click by just clicking on the screen. I can right click by firmly pressing on the screen or by 2 fingers. You can even scroll just like your trackpad. You can pinch and zoom in, zoom out if you are on the MacBook. Not just that, you get a lot of other functions. You can one hand scroll with the side of the screen. You can use virtual keyboard. You also get this dedicated left click, right click buttons just like your trackpad. Let's minimize the Safari. Apart from that, you get an function key. You get the control button. That is not all. You can play, pause the songs, increase and decrease the volume, change to the next or previous track. You can also access the apps in the taskbar, or I can say talk about the Mac from your phone. I can open Launchpad from my phone, swipe for multiple apps. I can also open settings. This trick certainly saves you in the time of need, or you can use it just for the fun. Let me know if you got any questions in the comments. I have linked the applications in the description. You can watch my another video about ChatGPT here.